Most students spend weeks collecting data, but when it comes to analysis, they get stuck. Traditional methods often miss details. That's why researchers are turning to hybrid analysis, a smarter approach that blends multiple techniques to give you deeper and more reliable results. Instead of relying on just one method, hybrid analysis integrates different perspectives. For example, quantitative plus qualitative, deductive plus inductive, testing theories while letting new themes emerge. Static plus dynamic analysis, widely used in technical fields like cybersecurity. This makes your research stronger and more credible. With hybrid analysis, you gain a holistic view of your data, higher accuracy and validity, clear visual presentations like charts or diagrams, actionable insights you can rely on. So how do you get started? Follow these steps. Specify your objectives clearly using SMART goals. Identify reliable data sources like Jester, Google Scholar, or your university's library. Choose the right tools: SPSS for statistical analysis, NVivo for qualitative insights, Deduce for mixed methods. Prepare your data, clean errors, standardize formats, and integrate data sets. Run your analysis, perform quantitative tests, code qualitative data, and merge both in a hybrid synthesis. Interpret and report findings with visuals that highlight key patterns and comparisons. Yes, hybrid analysis sounds complex, but the payoff is worth it. It gives your research depth, accuracy, and credibility that single method approaches can't match. And if you need expert guidance, the Academic Papers UK is here to help you design, analyze, and report your research step by step. Make your research stronger with hybrid analysis, because better analysis means better results.